The invisible way of life might seem to be inactive, and yet notice how things continue to grow and everything gets done. If leaders observed the way of life, all things would develop more naturally. If first centered in the nameless and formless, their actions would come from the simplicity of no desire. Without wants, there is tranquility, and within tranquility, there is peace. Without desire, a natural harmony can stabilize things. Those who are wise do not force their power, and thus have power. They act without motive. Those influenced by the world make plans and act with force. Those who are evolved appear to do nothing and yet leave nothing undone. Those influenced by the world seem to be doing things, and yet much remains undone. A kind person acts without an end in view. A righteous person has an end in view. When no one responds, a disciplinarian attempts to force their views. Thus, when the natural way is lost, power follows. When power does not work, righteous strategies follow. When righteous actions do not work, morality begins. And when morality does not work, memorized rituals and social manipulation appear. Forced obedience is the dry husk of natural loyalty. Learned opinions are the barren flowers of natural kindness. Thus, without motives, evolved ones open to the natural inner fruit rather than focusing on the outer covering.